further use. No, sorry, I forgot to record. From here, at least I will record. Okay. So now, memory. What is memory? Collection of cells, and each cell with unique physical address. Physical address means that see, we are staying. Suppose our physical address. What do we say? Which house number, right? And then which street? Then what do you give after street address?
District.
Correct, district. City we will give. Then district we will give. Then state we will give. So that is the address, isn't it? So that is the physically actually where do you reside? That is the address. The same thing. If you take any book. So can you see my book here? Whatever I am showing. Book is visible to you?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So any book if you open. So book has what do you see? So go to page number 55 if I say, how do you go? By looking at that page number you will go, isn't it? So that way, that is the address of that page. Okay. So there some content is there. Got it, children? So otherwise, open your computer science book if I say. So that is the address of your computer science content where you are writing. Got it, children? So that is, that is the physical address. Similarly, see page number is there for your book content, isn't it? Even in your notebook. So every page has a separate data. That way, whatever we are keeping in the memory, even it is converted into binary, it has an address. Okay, children. So, for example, if you see, if the content is 10101010, okay, where it is stored? So, this is having the page number. That is the memory location, memory address. That is the physical address. Got it, children? See, in your textbook, no, from cover to cover, everything is page only, or in your notebook also, from cover to cover. Okay, cover to cover you have pages, but actually page number 1 means, what does it mean? Page number 1 is not including the cover page, not including the title page, not including the acknowledgements, not including the index page, not including the preface, isn't it? So now page number 1 means from where your actual syllabus started, actual content started, your unit, your chapter started, isn't it? So that is actually logical address. Got it, children? Physical address is actually from the cover to cover. That is total, okay? But logical address is what? Logically, we have numbered, na? Page number 1, page number 2, from somewhere in between. Right? So that is the logical address. Got it, children? So physical address is in your textbook, for example. Okay. So if you have purchased your book, they will give only page number 1 to page number some 300, 400 like that. Or does it include your entire cover to cover book, full binded book?
No.
They will not give the full book when you go to shop and ask for computer science textbook. Or do they give from the page number 1 only?
And we get the full book.
They will give the full book, right? But if you open your book and see any book you see, there is a cover page. Then you will have some title page, and then you will have the information on the next page, like reprint, republished on so on so year, isn't it? And then you will have the acknowledgements page and preface. Then you will have the syllabus if you are subject book, if it is, or if it are any novel and all, they will start with some other, right? So that is ABCD, they may number Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. Then actual content starts from where? Page number 1. Got it? So logically, what page number 1 is not exactly page number 1. Got it, children? So page number 1 is logically page number 1. It is not the physically 1. Okay, ma? Are you following? So physically, what is that page number 1? You have to include from cover page. So cover page also some content is there, no? So from the cover page, if you include, that is the actual physical address. Got it, children? So most computers are byte addressable. Byte means how many bits, 8 bits. You can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many total bits are there? 8 bits. See, every notebook, see 100 pages short notes or 100 pages long notes. You will ask like that or not when you go to shop to buy. Okay, so when you go to shop, you will ask or not? 100 pages book like that, you will ask or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no. So when you ask, that means what? You are giving a configuration. Now you are giving the size of the book, isn't it? So when you are giving the size of the book, right? So this much width, this much. So in this also, again, when you open, do you write from this corner to this corner in every notebook?
No, ma'am.
No, no, you will leave some margins also, isn't it? But that is also storage capacity. That is also having storage capacity. Yes or no? So that is having, see, that is having, your index is there, down, your page number will be there. Got it, children? समझ में आ रहा है ना? So whatever concept I am giving you. See, when you open your index page, in the index page, you will see the topic and page number, right? So in the index page, you will see the topic and page number. That is also noted, that is also part of your memory only. Got it? So, right, when you are writing this content, how much to be fit into this page? What is the width of every line? Okay, so this is having 8 bits, or this is having 16 bits, or this is having 32 bits. Got it, children? Or this is having 64 bits. You may be seeing na 32-bit operating system, 64-bit operating system. You must be heard about, right? What is that OS ka 32-bit, 64-bit? That is in the memory in one row, right? So at one stretch, it can store 32 bits or it can store 64 bits. समझ में आ गया ना children? So in general, this memory is byte addressable. Most
Ma'am, that byte address is limited to 64 only in Intel, ma'am. In AMD, it is up to 128.
Yeah, that's what it depends on. I'm not telling that. See, every book is different. See, your computer science book has this much width, suppose. So, but if I take my diary, that is having some different size, isn't it? If I take my, if I take my attendance register, that is having a different length, isn't it? समझ में आ रहा है ना, children? Okay, so every book is having a different size memory, size capacity. The same thing is applicable. See, when you are working with the memory also. Got it? So how many bytes it can take at a time? 32 bytes or 62, 32 bit or 64 bit or 128 bit. Why it is like that? Why it is not 50 or 100 or 30 or 60? Can anyone guess the answer? Why it is 32, 64, 128?
All are multiples of, no, I mean double of 8.
Yeah, all are multiples of 2 only. Why 2 only? Because every switch, okay, it is an electronic device, isn't it? So every switch, what are the options we have? Either on or off. If you take any switch, what are the 2 options? Either on or off, isn't it? So on is indicated by 1 and off is indicated by 0. That is in binary. Okay, children. So even if it is a video, even if it is audio, at the lowest, at the scratch level, it is zeros and ones. How it is stored in the memory? It is zeros and ones. Okay. So based on that only, hackers, crackers, whoever is working, They will be decoding and encoding. Got it? So right. That's the reason we will use some secret codes. Na? Friends will use. So right, especially girlfriend, boyfriend, no, they will be using so many secret codes so that others cannot understand what they are speaking to each other, isn't it? Right? So that way, even when you are storing your passwords and all, yeah, it has to be encoding. It has to be encoded and properly decoded. Even if see our defense people, if they have to communicate with other defense person at the border, how do they communicate? Directly they will communicate? No, they use some code language so that other country people, other our enemy people should not understand. Got it, children? So that is another topic that is about the security. But now let us come to memory. So memory, समझ में आ गया? So memory is nothing but storage, like your notebook or your textbook where you are storing your data, okay, your information. But how it is stored? It is stored byte by byte. Okay, actually byte means 8 bits. Okay, children. So byte addressable. Most of the computers they use byte addressable. Address also, like a page number is also one number, na? Right? So that number, how many pages are there? Based on that, how many bits we need, that will be calculated. Okay. So now coming to see measurement of memory. So now textbook means how many pages we calculated, right? So yeah, based on the page, based on the content, that rate is also fixed by the publishers, isn't it? Right. So but coming to memory, what is the unit we use? Bit or byte? Got it, children? Bit is, we use small b. Okay, ma'am. So for representing bit, what do? We use small b. Right. For representing byte, we use capital B. Okay. So here small correction, bit na abbreviation small b you note down when you are noting down. Got it, children? Have you all noted down the point? Bit is small b, byte is capital B. Small letter, capital letter.
Your screen share is off.
Screen share is off. Now, bit is small b and then byte is capital B. Got it? Now, 4 bits is called as one nibble. See, for example, if you go to shop, okay, so you will ask for dal of 2 kg, isn't it? And if you ask for some cumin seeds or fenugreek seeds like that, you will ask in kgs. You will ask in grams only, isn't it? Right? And if you go for milk, so then you will ask for liters, half liter milk, isn't it? Okay, 1 liter milk, isn't it? So if you ask for oil also, the same manner. So here we use bits, bytes. Okay, byte is octet. Octet means octal means 8, isn't it? So octet is collection of 8 bits. Got it, children? Nibble is 4 bits. Half kg you will ask, no. That way half byte is nibble. And then coming to kilo. So in your physics, no, in your physics, if your physics teacher is teaching about these units, no, then kilo means, yeah, Ayush?
No, ma'am, is there something as small as one nibble, like in a file or something?
Something as small as nibble in the sense?
Like something which has a memory of only 4 bits.
See, initially when the computer is being developed, first they used bit by bit only, na? Then slowly they organized like collection of 4 bits. जैसे कि आपने पहले अल्फाबेट सीखा है ना, बाद में आपने वर्ड सीखा है ना. Okay, so then you learn to frame sentences and all, right?
No,
So
ma'am,
he's asking if there is some file over there which is of 1 nibble.
Nowadays, see, every file is having, you can see how many kilobytes it is occupying. If you go to the properties of any file, you can see no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So is there any file which is occupying less than 1 byte nowadays?
No, ma'am.
I don't know, ma'am. I'm asking you.
Okay, so see, yeah, I'll show you any file you see them nowadays. See, that is the scratch level. Okay, so if you have all this knowledge, you will also be like one Charles Babbage. You can start from the scratch and develop your own one innovative experiment you can do. See, you can see, now you can see the size of the file, isn't it? See, if it is a Python file here, 3 KB. Can you see? Now my screen is visible, na children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Any
yes, ma'am.
file, we can see the
Yes,
properties and size is visible or not. This is
Visible, ma'am.
occupying 45 KB. This is 199 KB, 3 KB, 500 KB, 501 KB. Got it? So it is all in KBs. Suppose if I go to pictures, okay, this is picture is occupying 65 KB. Now we go to any other folder, yeah. So you can see, based on the content within the file, that is PowerPoint presentation, it may be, it is having slides, titles, images, so many things are there, no? So as the images are there, it will take more. Got it? So at the lowest level, what is a gram, what is a milligram, what is a centigram, or what is a meter, what is a centimeter, what is a millimeter? It depends, right? So when do we measure millimeter? When do we measure in terms of millimeter? Suppose if you have a hair thickness, if you have to find a hair thickness, it will be in centimeters. It will be in meters. Okay, suppose if you are measuring the distance between your house and KV Hebbal, it will be in centimeters,
Kilometers.
kilometers, isn't it? So that way, actually, the lowest level, what is the measurement is that unit is bit. Full form of bit is binary digit. What is the full form, children?
Binary digit.
Binary digit.
Binary digit. Okay. So it is 0 or 1. Got it? And then nibble is collection of 4 bits. What is nibble?
Collection of 4 bits.
4 bits. Then byte or octet is collection of how many bits?
8 bits.
8 bits.
8 bits. Right. Now kilobyte. What do you mean by kilo? अगर आपने शॉप में जाके किलो
1024.
10,000.
1000. Very good. So
1024.
everybody will agree with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, na? So kilo means how much? 1000. But in terms of 2 to the power of, okay, so 2 to the power of 0 is how
10.
much? Yeah, 2 to the power of 0 is how much? Tell me quickly.
1.
1. Very good. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, so 10th standard आप लोगों का अच्छा हो गया. Very good. So now 2 to the power of 1, how much?
2, ma'am.
2. 2 to the power of 2. Double करते जाओ.
4.
4. 2 cube?
8.
8. 2 to the power of 4?
16.
16.
2 to the power of 5?
32.
32. So one more, see, for example, children, if I have one switch, how many options I have? Either 0 or 1. 2 options only. One switch means 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so that is 2 options only. If I add one more switch, both I can keep, so left one I can keep off, and then 2 options. Next one again I'll keep on, and 2 options. Total 4. How many combinations? You learned your permutations, combinations in maths.
Not
How
now.
many combinations?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. How many combinations? If we have 2 switches,
Ma'am.
every switch can be
4.
either 0 or 1.
0
So,
1.
yeah. So 2 into 2. 2 to the power of 2. That is 4
4.
options. If we have one more switch added, that is 3 switches. So how many? 2 into 2 into 2.
8, ma'am.
8.
Right? 2 cube. Got it? So now if we have 4 switches means one switch is one cell. Okay.
16, ma'am.
16. So 16 different symbols we can store. Right. Now if we have 5 switches,
32.
32. Very good. So if we have 6,
64.
64. Yeah, 64 different symbols. Right. If you come to 7,
128.
128, ma'am.
128. Very good. If you come to 8,
256.
256. Now on your keyboard, how many symbols are there?
204.
204 are there. Count small a to small z. How many? English keyboard only all of us are using, right? 27. Why, my God. See, 10th standard, once you people have completed, everything you have forgotten. Alphabet, the English alphabet has how many?
26.
26. Small a to small z is 26. Capital A to capital Z 26. 0 to 9. How many? 0 to
10.
9. 10.
Ma'am, 104.
So 52 plus 10, how much it is? 62. And then we have caps lock, or we have tab space, control,
Shift.
alt,
Shift, ma'am.
and then 12 functional units.
104, ma'am.
Okay. So it depends on the keyboard which you are using also, but minimum 104 are there. So, but now we have come to 2 to the power of 7. How much? 2 to the power of 7 is how much?
256.
Arey yaar.
56.
I'm 512.
Oh my God.
No. 128, ma'am.
Yeah, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 5 is 32, 6 is 64,
60.
7 is
128.
128. So,
120.
हमारे पास अगर हमारे पास 7 bits, that is 7 switches, 7 cells are there. Then we can write all combinations which can represent every key on the keyboard. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many minimum bits are needed?
104.
Arey yaar, how many to represent these that entire keyboard keys? How many bits are needed?
128.
2 power 104.
128. Okay. So जैसे कि आपका फोन नंबर डायल होता है ना, वैसे ही सी ये 7 बिट्स का आपने पूरा कोडिंग लिखा है, तो 00000 ऑल स्विचेस ऑफ करके एक ऑल स्विचेस ऑफ करके राइट मोस्ट वन को ऑन कर देना, ठीक है? वैसे ऑल कॉम्बिनेशंस इफ यू राइट टोटल 128 सिंबल्स. सो एवरी कॉम्बिनेशन को एक सिंबॉलिकली रिप्रेजेंट किया तो ठीक है. सो दैट सिंबल इज योर अल्फाबेट, that symbol is your digit, that symbol is your special character, right? So that way if you represent, so 7 bits are enough, sufficient. 7 bit length is sufficient. That word length 7 bit is sufficient. Okay children, so that is known as ASCII code. What is ASCII? Tell me. ASCII. What is ASCII code? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Can all of you repeat after me? Yes. So what is ASCII code?
American
What is ASCII
Standard.
code?
American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very good. Aditya, what is ASCII code? Whomever I ask, you have to quickly unmute yourself and tell me. What is ASCII full form?
American Standard Code.
And what is the full form of ASCII?
American Standard Code for Information Interchange. How many bits? 7 bits. Just now we discussed, no? 7 bits. 7 bits are there. All the English we can communicate, isn't it? Okay. So now Aditya Raj, what is ASCII code? What is the full form of ASCII code?
Me, ma'am.
Aditya Raj. Unmute yourself. Speak. Yeah. Aditya Raj, what is full form of ASCII?
American.
Yes, ma'am.
American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
That is Ayush is responding. I am asking Aditya. Aman Raj. Aman. Quickly answer, children. See, Pranav, what is ASCII, ma? ASCII, full form? What is the full form of ASCII? Anish,
American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
now Pranav, repeat after Anish.
American Standard of Information Interchange.
Standard code, ASCII. Okay, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. How many bits?
7, ma'am.
Very good.
7.
Now tell me, Akshit, what is ASCII, ma? Tell me.
American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very good. So now how many bits are there in ASCII?
7.
7 bits. Good. Anirudh, can you tell me what is ASCII? Anirudh? Okay, Anupriya? Where is Anupriya? Okay, Dhruv?
I'll think.
Harsh, tell me.
I'm American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very good. Harsh Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what is ASCII code and how many bits ASCII code has?
Ma'am, full form is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and it has 7 bits.
Very good. Mohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me what is ASCII code and what is how many bits?
American Standard Code for Technology and Information, and it has 7 bits.
Hey, what? You are running like you are footballer. Tell me once
No, ma'am.
again.
American Standard Code for Technology and Information.
Technology कहाँ से आ गया? You see, ASCII बेटा. American
Oh, yes.
full form I asked. American, A for American, S for
Yes, ma'am.
standard, C for code.
Standard Code.
American Standard Code for I for information, not technology.
Information.
Information
Yes, ma'am.
अलग होता है, technology अलग होता है, ठीक है? हाँ.
Ma'am.
Information interchange.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now Kushagra, tell me what is full form of ASCII? Kushagra.
Network issue, ma'am.
अरे यार, you can just repeat, no? Manas Varshini. Simran.
Ma'am, what is the spelling of ASCII?
ASCII.
Ma'am, American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very good, Simran.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yashwant.
American Standard Code for Information Exchange 7 byte.
Exchange कहाँ से आ गया? ये तो है ही नहीं.
Interchange.
हाँ, good. So now Manshinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very good. Satish Priyadarshan.
Ma'am, it is American Standard Code for Information Interchange.
Very good. Sumit.
Ma'am, American Standard Code for Information Interchange 7 byte.
What else? American Standard Code for Information Interchange and 7 bits, not bytes. Okay, 7-bit code. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Rachita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
American Standard Code Information Interchange, and it has 7 bits.
Very good. Bhuvaneshwari.
American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and there are 7 bits.
Very good. So now we understood, no? What is the full form of bit, children? Sayan, can you tell me what is the full form of bit?
Binary digit, ma'am.
Binary digit. Rudransh, what is a byte?
Ma'am, 1024 bits.
Ma'am, can I tell?
I'll
That's a
give you
kilobyte.
nicely. Aman. So,
Ma'am, can I tell?
yes, Matel.
Ma'am, it is a combination of 8 bits.
8 bits is 1 byte. Other name for byte is octet. Got it? Kilo is, what is kilo?
1000.
1000 in general, in all other subjects. But in computer science, as 2 to the power of only we can have
10 to the power 2.
Yeah. So as it is always 2 to the power of something, so it is, tell me, 1024. See, 2 to the power of 7 is 128. Now let us proceed. 2 to the power of 8 is how much?
512.
8.
512.
28 का double करो, 512 आ गया.
Oh no.
2 to the power of 7 is 128. Now
256.
256. Now 2 to the power of 9 is how much?
512.
512. 2 to the power of 10 is how much?
1024.
1024.
512 को double करना है, ठीक है? Now which one is nearer to 1000?
1024.
Which one is nearer to 1000, children? 1024 is very near or 512 is very near?
1024.
1024 is very near. Got it? So even if you increase 1 bit, it will be always in terms of 2 to the power of, because every bit is representing either 0 or 1. Got it? So that is the reason kilobyte means 1024 bytes. Got it? It is not 1000 in computer science. It is how much? 1024. Got it? Have you all understood? So what is a kilobyte? How many bytes is kilobyte?
124 bytes.
124.
24 bytes.
1024.
Yeah.
1024.
ठीक है? So 1024 bytes is 1 kilo. याद रखना. ठीक है? अगर शॉप में जाके 1024 grams extra दे दिए तो they will give you nicely. Okay? Right? Don't ask there. In general, it is 1000. But in computer terminology, kilo means how much? How much, children? 1024. Got it? Next, mega means kilos, like quintal.
10 to the power 6.
So 100 kg is 1 quintal, na? In if you are buying some rice or wheat flour, something like that. Okay, that way. Now, when you come to mega show, बोलते हैं ना? So mega means kilo of kilo. How much it is then? First kilo का आपने 1024 से replace किया तो how many kilobytes? 1024 kilobytes. Got it, children? समझ में आ गया? So 1 kilo के बाद क्या आएगा आपको? 1 mega. 1 mega is nothing but 1 kilobytes. Got it? So 1024 kilobytes is 1 megabyte.
2 का power 20.
समझ में आ गया ना, children?
Ma'am, Kahoot quiz.
Wait. See now gigabyte. What is gigabyte? 1024 megabytes. Okay. So if you substitute in place of mega, 1024 KB, that is 1024 into 1024 into 1024 bytes. That is 2 to the power of 30 bytes. Got it? So what is a terabyte? 1024 gigabytes. What is a peta? Penta आपको बोलता है ना? So 5 means peta. Tera is tetra, like 4. Got it, children? So 2 to the power of 30. 2 to the power of 10 को whole cube किया तो giga आएगा आपको. 2 to the power of 10 को whole to the power of 4 किया तो terabyte. 2 to the power of 10 whole to the power of 5 is petabyte. Hexabyte is hexadecimal, right? Hexa is 6. So 2 to the power of 10 whole to the power of 6, 1024 petabytes. Next is zettabyte. Zettabyte is, zeta is saptansh, okay, 7. So 1024 exabytes. Next yottabyte is 1024 zettabytes. Got it, children? So these are the memory units. And when we come to see, sometimes when all of a sudden power goes up, if you have not saved, what will happen? Whatever content that is appearing on your screen will disappear. It will go off. It is not stored permanently. So where is it available? It is available in the random access memory. See, you must be learning about your transistors, capacitors in physics, no? So that is used here, right, for storage. But it cannot retain for longer time. When the power goes up, it will go off. That is random access memory. It is a volatile memory. When power goes off, the content will go off. Read-only memory, permanently if you have stored memory in which each location can be accessed but not changed. Okay. So ROM is not volatile. Even if the power goes off, operating system that is loading up when you are switching on your computer, then secondary storages like magnetic tapes, olden days, no, those reels they used to play, no, for movie or for audio songs and all. Yes. And then we have.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, does cache memory remains even after power cut?
Cache memory is see nearer to CPU, but it is a permanent or it is not a read-only memory, dear. If it is only read-only memory, no, you cannot delete it. But it is stored, okay, temporarily.
Ma'am, what's the difference between an ordinary CD and a Blu-ray?
That is the intensity of those cells organized. See, in the ordinary CD, that is little away, no, the tracks. Okay. In Blu-ray disc, that technology is that rays pass through that while making the CD, while creating it. Okay, children. See, we have in this CDs only collection of CDs, compact disc. CD is what is CD? Compact disc, right? Even if you look at the hard disk, also collection of CDs kind of only, but it is you know, so it is not like separate CD kind of. Okay, the layers, the amount of layers. If you look at the thickness, you may feel DVD, CD same, isn't it? But the digital video.
Ma'am, can we rearrange the bits, ma'am, in a CD?
If it is erasable CD, we can erase. If it
No,
is
ma'am, not erase, ma'am. Can we rearrange it?
It is kind of queue. It is a sequentially stored device, no child. Actually, what happens now? See that and all. How the data is organized. I'll tell you. Suppose you started writing. You see, I started writing my diary. Okay. I'll show you here. Wait.
We can rearrange by doing defragmentation, disk defragmentation.
So wait. Yeah, correct. Whatever you are telling. See, that what do you mean by defragmentation? Again, that is different concept, right? I will. Yeah. So once we are discussing about operating system, you remind me. I'll tell you. See now. See in my diary, you all can see my diary, no? Right? You all can see me, no? Yes or no? So in my diary, yeah. So here we have a space for monthly coverage. Okay. And here I have a space for split up syllabus. Okay. So what happened? Here I have written full syllabus. This is a different page where I can write only what is that? I can take signature of the principal or okay. So here I have started writing monthly coverage. Title is there, no, monthly coverage. Okay. So now what happened? Finished. Full I have written. Okay, not only you people writing, we are also writing. You see. Now what happened? Next page is a different content. So then what do? Next I don't have space, no, here. but my diary is empty so much, isn't it? So what do? I'll give an arrow mark here or continued in so on so page. Okay. So and I will go to that particular page. Okay. So that page number I have given. I continued in that particular page. Okay. So when I continued in the particular page, you can see, no? Got it, children? Sorry, so I continued in a different page. The same manner, when your memory, okay, when you are working with your memory also, in the CD, actually, somewhere some free space is there. That free space you started writing, but that free space cannot accommodate the entire content. Then from there, based on the algorithm, based on the program that was written on that disk, okay, even when you put a plug-in device, USB drive, no, it is having a program written on it to recognize, to be recognized by the computer. Got it, children? So every device has on it some algorithm also. So the algorithm written on the CD, rewritable CD, is different from the read-only CD, different from the hard disk, different from the Blu-ray disc. Got it, children? So that way it is different. Okay, ma'am. So that technology is, see, hard drive types we have: PATA, SATA, SCSI, SSD. Got it? So this is parallel advanced technology attachment if they have used, that is PATA. Serial if they have used SATA. Small computer system interface they used means SCSI. Okay. Solid state drives. Solid state drives if they have used SSD. Got it, children? So in detail you can search in Google. Okay. So up to 12 TB size of hard disk is available in the market. Now, how much? 12 TB is available in the market. Okay. So now I think, yeah, not completely clarified your doubt, but it is up to some extent I have clarified. Got it, children? So all are looking like a CD only, but the what is algorithm written on that, based on that, that functionality will be varying. That defragmentation. So see, that is fragmented. Our teacher's diary is, my teacher's diary is fragmented into, yeah. So this portion is for writing a monthly syllabus. This portion is for writing staff meetings, minutes. This portion is for writing lesson plan. This portion is for writing marks of the students. Isn't it? It is fragmented. Okay. So then what am I doing? I'm providing a link from this page to the other page. And physically, I'm not doing defragmentation. But logically, what have I done? I combined or not? It is continued from there to here or not? So that way also, based on the algorithm, which how it was organized, based on that, that will be working. Got it, children? So this will go for this. Yeah. So webcam is input or output?
Output, ma'am.
Input. USB is input or output?
Input.
Both. We can read and write, no? Okay, Fasimile?
USB is also like storage, no?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. It is storage device also, both input and output device also. See some examples of both devices. Okay, modem is both input and output. Touch screen, both you can do.
How, ma'am? How modem is both input and output? Like? Output.
See, a modem will be taking analog signals and converting into digital signals. It is taking analog signals from the telephone wire and converting into your digital signals. And again, whatever data being transmitted over the network, right? So that data is in your computer, it is in the digital format. But once you are sending an email, again it is converted into analog or not? Okay, again it is transmitting through that line, network line. So both receiving and sending it is doing, no? So both input and output. What, ma'am?
Yes,
ma'am, even camera also.
Kahoot quiz, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Even camera also. Right. So in the next class, we will be seeing at the mobile system architecture, children. So now
Yes,
here I'll stop. Yeah. So quickly we'll have a quiz.
Ram.
You all ready with
Ma'am,
the
ma'am, what is sound card, ma'am? Sound card is an input or output device.
sound card? You are talking about sound card for what? For listening purpose or for giving input? माइक के लिए यूज कर रहे हो कि हेडफोन के लिए यूज कर रहे हो?
मैम दोनों के लिए कर सकते हैं ना मैम, इनपुट भी दे सकते हैं और आउटपुट भी ले सकते हैं.
हाँ, then both it is.
Okay.
Okay. So now 2 minutes left. 3 minutes left, children. Yeah. So yeah, Kahoot, I'm opening, children. Okay.
Pin, ma'am.
If you bear with me for 5 more minutes extra time, or now you have any other class? 11 o'clock only your class, no next class.
No, ma'am, no class is there.
Sorry?
Ma'am, class is not there.
Yeah, today Hindi, no. So okay, no problem. Let me log into here, then I can give you code. Okay, so quickly, this PPT I have uploaded in Teams. Have I?
Ma'am.
Just go through. I'll be asking the questions by 10:30. Okay, ma'am. Okay, by the time I open this, it will take time. Okay, so I'm opening it.
Ma'am, doubt. Ma'am, generally, why does SSD have less size than HDD, ma'am?
SSD is advanced or SSD is advanced?
SSD is faster, no, ma'am, than HDD.
Yeah, see, faster, but if you see dump everything on, suppose, okay, on that only. So as it is a faster, okay, thinking faster, if you keep dumping, what will happen? Automatically that efficiency will come down, no?
Ma'am, but HDD doesn't have any moving parts, but HDD will have.
Yeah, correct.
That's why it's faster.
Then I was told I'm just searching for the quiz. 1 second. Basic.
Ma'am, is that zettabyte and other large quantities are used in supercomputers?
I mean, which one? Megabits, megabytes, or something like that. You're asking?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, that last one, zettabytes, zottabytes, are used in supercomputers, ma'am.
So, yes, ma'am. See, if you go to any company when they are having a what is our census? For example, what is our India census?
As of 2011, 3.3 billion or something.
Why are you telling 3.3 billion? If you fully expand, and if you tell how much it will be?
At least 4, ma'am.
4 billion, you are just telling like that. If you write the complete number and read out, how do you read out? Got it, Chen? So that way, as the size is increasing, so we cannot see if you go to a milk shop and they will ask, give me 1000 milliliter milk or 1 liter milk, you will ask. Got it? That is just a unit. Got it? So based on the amount you have, accordingly. So if you go to grocery shop and ask for 1 quintal rice or give me 100 into 1000, that is how much? 1 billion milligrams rice. Okay, based on that you will ask. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is the father of computer. Last week we played, no? Okay, fine. So give me 5 minutes, 5-10 minutes time, children. So quickly I'll be opening that Kahoot. Okay. So now you quickly just revise. You're all very eager, no? So just quickly revise.
Pin.
Yeah, pin I'm giving. I'm just reviewing whatever the questions I've done, then I'll give you. Yeah, where do I delete this thing? It's a very simple quiz only. Okay, so just I'm just quickly revising it. Uh, Okay, ready, children?
Ma'am, pin.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am. I'm giving. This question, just want to. Okay, I have 9 questions. One question only. How many questions you want?
10.
10.
खुद ही तो
I'm giving now 13 questions I've given.
Pin.
15 questions I've given, children. Okay. Whatever today we discussed only, okay, that only I'm giving. So now I will be sharing my screen. You can see the pin also. Yeah, entire screen I'm sharing here. You can see still loading. What happened? Yes, ma'am. So, ready to join? Yes. Now you are. Join, ma'am. Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Joined, ma'am.
Join, ma'am.
Join, ma'am.
Join, ma'am.
Yeah, people are coming.
Wait, ma'am.
Yes. Rockstar कौन है? निखिल है? आकल? Enter your proper name. I got to know.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen, ma'am.
5619. 27. Second I'm straight. You can see
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I can see, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's lagging a lot, ma'am.
01 011.
I'm not able to see my name, ma'am.
See
Yes,
what?
ma'am.
Refresh the page. I did that only.
Yes, no? Now you can see. Pink, Rahul, Manasa joined very good. Boss. This is boss. Start. 21 joined. 38 people.
Start the quiz, ma'am.
Anyone else is still joining?
Mama, it's showing that I'm in, but my name isn't seen on the screen.
Yeah, you'll have to reload the page. Cancel the tab and enter the pin again.
Help one another. Join. Let everybody join. Okay, children, are you happy with my class? With science, are you enjoying? Or it's boring? Have any problem? You ask me, children. Okay, I'll help you. I'll try my level best to help you. 3 players are there.
Dhruv, mute.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Anyone's name is missing here? can check your names. Everyone's name is see those who joined their name. 24 people are here. I'll start. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
People are there. Someone is struggling to join. Just really help your friends. Help your friends. No?
Ma'am, your voice is a
Ma'am,
bit lagging.
Yeah, you help your other friends also. Those who are struggling to join Kahoot. Maybe you are having
Ma'am,
your
can
own.
we start?
Sorry. The binary digits 0 and 1 are each called bit. True, false. All group of questions we have can replace this. Right. 3, 2. Very good. So binary digit is nothing but a bit only, children. Zeros and 0 and 1 it represents. Okay, next. You can see Ayush is on the top, very good. Akshat, Vaibhav, Boss, Rockstar, Nikhil, and the podium. Let's proceed to the next question. Group of 8 bits is known as a gigabyte. It's only a byte here. It's not a gigabyte. 8 bits is 1 byte. Okay. So wonderful. Only 3 people have committed mistake. Akshat, very good. So Rockstar, Nikhil Kushwaha, ये BBCC कौन है? Okay. So let's proceed. Group of 1024 bytes is called a terabyte. Terabyte. Terabyte is 1024. 1024 is kilo. No, we discussed so much about it, isn't it, children? 1024 bytes is kilobyte, not terabyte. Okay, so 15 people have answered it correctly. We can check your scores. Let's proceed. 1024 kilobytes. Very good. See, I explained, 1024 kilobytes is 1 megabyte. 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is 1 terabyte. 1024 terabytes is 1 petabyte. 1024 petabytes is 1 exabyte. So that wordings you should be thorough, children. Okay. Good, good. Ayush again came back to his position. Aman Raj is in the second position. Akila third. Harsh. Hakal kaun hai?
Ma'am, Shivam. Shivam, ma'am.
Shivam. Okay, fine. Good. A group of 10, 24 kilobytes is called megabyte. False. 10 now I explained, children. See, even if you pay attention when I'm giving the feedback of every question, you would have successfully answered. Okay, fine. 21 people answered it correctly. Let's see the score. 4 people did it mistake. Yeah, Pranav entered into the podium. Yes, very good. So let's proceed to the next question. Ayush is keeping up his position. Group of 1024 megabytes is called a byte. Very good. 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte, not a single byte. 1 byte is only 8 bits. Okay. So only one mistake. Akshat entered into podium. Ayush is keeping up his position. Aman, Akila, Akal is Shivam. Shivam, Akshat are competing. All alphabet A. Very good. Smallest unit for storing data, either 0 or 1, is a byte. It is a bit, children. A 0 or 1 is a bit. Byte is collection of 8 bits. So smallest unit is bit, not byte. Okay. So it is called a byte is wrong. So it is false. Oh, Rockstar entered into the podium. Okay, good, good. Ayush is keeping up his position. Aman, Akila, Akal are keeping up their positions. Bit consists of 8 bytes. Bit is the smallest one. Byte is 8 bits. So I asked in reverse way. So it is false. Hey, Ayush is on fire. Akila entered. Akila is in now second position. Rockstar is in third. Nikhil Kushwaha entered into podium. Aditya Kashyap entered. Very good, wonderful children. Yeah, now the byte consists of 8 bits. Just now I gave you feedback to children. Byte is 8 bits. True. Don't be confused. Bit is binary digit. Digit means 0 or 1. Got it? Very good. Rockstar entered into second place. Nikhil Kushwaha third. Aditya Kashyap fourth. Keith Kaur entered into podium. Very good. Wonderful, Keith. Ayush is still keeping on fire. So let's go for bit is smaller than a byte. Very good, children. See, only one person answered it wrongly. Okay. So 23 people are bit. Now only I told you binary digit. Digit is smaller, 0 or 1 only. Byte is 8 bits. Yes, Ayush is keeping up his position. Yeah, very good. So now there is no change from the previous positions. All 5 are competing. Now see, 4 players have reached answer streak 7. Very good. Right. 32-bit word size is larger than 64-bit word size. Very good. See, देखते ही पता चल रहा है ना. 32 bit is smaller, 64 bit is bigger. 100 pages notebook is smaller than 200 pages notebook. Yes or no? Yes, Keith, very good. Akila, Akil, Aman Raj, Very good, very good. Good competition. Ayush is keeping up his position, yeah. Someone should beat him, right? Let's go for, yeah, 3 more questions. ASCII is the standard coding method used by personal computers. In olden days, that was the first coding I explained today. Very good. That is personal computer. All computers they are using digits only, right? Which keyboard we are using? English only, right? So ASCII characters we are using. Suppose if we are using mobiles, then you will go for Unicode. Unicode Hindi, Devanagari Lipi, right? So many scripts are there, no? Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, right? Bhojpuri. So many different scripts, French, German. Then it will change. Now, as of now, personal computer we are using all the English only. So that is correct answer. Akshat, Anish entered, very good. So Nikhil Kushwaha entered into podium back. Very good. Ayush is keeping up his position. Wonderful, Ayush. Now, 2 more questions are left. 7-bit ASCII code can represent how many characters? 108 characters. True or false? Quickly. 7-bit 2 to the power of 7 is how much? 128. True. Again, Rockstar and Aditya Kashyap entered into podium. Ayush, Akshat, Anish are keeping up their position. Good children. Let's go for last but one. Keyboard is an input device. Very good, children. So, but one person is always committing mistake. Who is that? Let me see at the end. Okay, keyboard. Say computer input leta hai na, so it is input device. It receives, it takes. Very good, Ayush. Ayush is keeping up his position. Akshat, Anish, Rockstar, Aditya are competing. 3 players have reached answer streak 6. Very good. Wonderful. Last question. Barcode reader is an output device. Barcode reader is not reader, na beta. See, reader.
Input.
Reader is not. It is reading into the computer, right? So it is input device. It is not output device. So false. So now let us do the final score. Third position. Anish, second position. Very good, very good. Now let's go to every question was answered correctly by most players. So it is the easiest quiz. Quickly give your feedback.
Can we leave the class now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. See now, if you want to see the difficult.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. God bless you. Yeah, still Manshinder, Kushagra are there.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma. Manshinder, tell me.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Pucha.
Ma'am, where is Yotta byte used?
Sorry.
Ma'am, where is Yotta byte used?
Your voice is not clear, ma'am. Once again, you ask me.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, where is Yotta byte?
Where is
Yotta byte.
Jota byte then? Can you text? Can you just in the chat box you just enter, ma? What is your question? Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Where is Yotta byte used? See, that's what in big companies and all. See, when we go to those companies, say they even in the supercomputers, if you see, the memory is huge memory they are keeping, isn't it? In the servers and all, right? When they are using that huge memory and all, we will not calculate like one bit and byte, isn't it? So we need a bigger unit for measuring it. So that time we will be using this.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Kushagra, you have any other doubt, ma'am? Kushagra, you have any other doubt, Shane? Okay, if you do not have any doubt, I'll be removing you. Are you there, Kushagra? Okay. Okay, ma'am. So now I will end the meeting for everybody.